So I'm Michaela Reeves and I study forensic investigation. I do like living at College Court because it's like a good proximity to the uni. The rooms are really nice as well, like it's a good size and everything incorporated in the rooms is like what you'd expect, and it is really nice. At College Court you can get an ensuite, which obviously incorporates a shower and a sink and a toilet in your own room. And I think the best part about having an ensuite is just purely the privacy of it. So in the room you get a desk and a chair, and the desk is quite a long desk. Then you get a couple of shelves on the walls, like either side of the window, and then you do get like a 4-foot double bed. So in the kitchen you get obviously a microwave, a toaster, a kettle, and it's just good to be in a shared kitchen because you don't necessarily know the people that you're with, so it's good to get to know them over like a drink or just sitting in the kitchen like having a bowl of cereal or something like that. So I go to Staff's uni, like Staffordshire. It's about a 10 to 20 minute walk from here. There is a bus stop just outside as you walk down the hill from here, which you can get to uni if it is raining. There is a shared area, as in the common room, and it's got sofas and it's got a TV in there, so you can just come in on like evenings or weekends and just sit with your friends, watch TV. Outside reception also, there's a couple of benches and a place where you can have a barbecue. So you can bring a disposable barbecue and you can just sit out there on like a nice summer's evening or whatever and just sit with all your friends and just socialise. So the staff are all really friendly towards the people that live here. If you've got any problems, you can just come in and let them know and they'll get them sorted like as soon as. There's evening staff as well, which are like security guards obviously, and they're really friendly as well. So with the fob system, you fob in at the security gates to get in, and then you fob in at your door, which I think is quite a good security measure because you can't kind of walk into anybody else's block. As well as the fobs is that there's CCTV, like security cameras all around the court, which kind of focus on the main areas, which is again like an added bit of security and peace of mind for you and I guess your family as well, knowing that you're safe. So also on site there's a laundrette where you can take your clothes down any hour of the day, so like 6 o'clock in the morning or 10 PM in the evening. You can wash your clothes in there and you can dry it as well. So you do get Wi-Fi incorporated in your rent deal. It is fast enough for what I use because I just use it for like social networking and streaming films from Netflix, so it is quite fast. Yeah, so you can pay for your rent in 2 different ways. So you can either pay all up front, all in one, or you could pay it in 3 installments, which is easier. That's the one I picked. It's easier for me because I paid it when my loans came in. The nightlife is good because there's a club on uni campus that you can go to and they've got nights on, or you can go up to Hanley, which is about, like I said, a 15-20 minute walk, and there's a couple of big clubs or nice bars there as well. I would definitely recommend College Court to a friend. It's just the staff here are so friendly and it's so secure and it's not far from campus as well, which is definitely what you look for. It's just an incredible experience and I would definitely recommend it to anybody that asks.